So I took a little break and came to the park, walked around a little bit, brought Neo with me, have some fun. And it's just a beautiful day. And just wanted to take, even if it was just 20 minutes of some me time, some self-care, just something that I needed to do and something I had to do. So it's just an absolutely gorgeous day here in the park. I hope you enjoy some of these drone shots that I got with Neo. Um, Hope all is good. Hope all is well. Take care of yourself. Be good. God bless. See you soon.